Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12Step. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to unlock your Upwork profile. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Upwork and let's find out how we can know if your Upwork profile is locked. At first, let's get into Upwork interface. Make sure you are signed in. Now click on your profile icon on the top right corner. And here we can see my profile says online here. But if it is locked, you might see unavailable or locked over here. So what can we do in such case? We need to go to support.upwork.com over here. Now here we can simply search our problem here, or we can go to contact support over here. So let's tap on this and we can see various options. Let's go for chat with Upwork. Now you can simply write a problem that your profile is locked and you would like to get it solved and sent, and you'll get a reply and support from Upwork support. So that is all we can do if our profile is locked. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.